Palantir Technologies is currently trading above $36, gaining over $1 in the overnight session on Robinhood, sitting at $36.50. This upward momentum is notable as the market approaches opening, with the possibility of the stock reaching $40 soon. Key macroeconomic factors, such as the Federal Reserve's potential interest rate cuts, are in focus this week. The FOMC meeting will determine if the expected 25 basis point rate cut takes place, a move that the market has mostly priced in. The stock closed at $35.59 on Friday and has been holding strong in the mid-30s, particularly after its recent surge. Palantir Technologies has seen several positive developments recently. One of the key highlights is its inclusion in the S&P 500, which significantly boosted its stock performance. Additionally, the company's AIP, artificial intelligence platform, is gaining attention, and CEO Alex Karp has been appearing on major media outlets, bringing more visibility to Palantir. While it's not yet in the same league as the Magnificent Seven tech giants, Palantir is starting to make headlines alongside major players like Nvidia. There's speculation about whether Palantir could reach $40 and more in the near future. Yahoo Finance published an article discussing growth stocks, highlighting companies with faster-growing earnings and sales compared to their peers. Palantir is performing well in this space, especially in high-growth industries like AI. Year-to-date, Palantir's stock is up over 109%, and it's being closely followed by 44 hedge funds. The company's commercial customer base has been a major driver of growth, with AIP proving to be a game-changer. Palantir's credibility, built largely from its governmental contracts, continues to strengthen, but its recent success in the commercial sector has been a significant factor in its overall progress. Palantir Technologies' commercial side has been rapidly expanding, and its recent inclusion in the S&P 500 adds to its maturity as a company. The rebalancing, following this inclusion, is set to occur on September 23 before the market opens. Palantir is ranked number 5 on the list of unstoppable tech stocks to buy, driven by the belief that AI demand will continue to fuel growth. The article raises the question of whether Palantir stock could potentially make investors millionaires. Drawing comparisons to Nvidia, which has surged over 700% since 2022 following the launch of ChatGPT, Palantir has also helped investors who bought in at its lows. In December 2022, Palantir was trading below $10, allowing early investors to see significant gains, as the stock is now well above those levels. However, Palantir faces criticism for its high price-to-sales ratio of 82.6 and a trailing price-to-earnings ratio of 205. Despite these concerns, analysts expect these ratios to improve as the company's growth continues. There is some debate over whether AI stocks, like Nvidia, have already plateaued due to concerns about companies overspending on AI and cloud infrastructure. Despite these broader market concerns, Palantir is performing well with a strong balance sheet, and Wall Street remains optimistic. The company has 11 upward earnings revisions, signaling continued growth expectations. However, macroeconomic conditions, such as reduced spending on innovative technologies, could have a larger impact on Palantir's stock performance than its individual earnings growth. Palantir Technologies has a key advantage in its software products, which differentiates its demand from the rest of the generative AI sector. Palantir's software brings utility to AI, helping clients cut costs, improve productivity, increase efficiency, and reduce waste. This could help the company maintain high demand, making it more resilient than other AI stocks in the face of changing macroeconomic conditions. The upcoming Federal Reserve interest rate decision is a major factor that could impact the market this week. For the first time in 4 years, the Fed is expected to cut interest rates, with the decision anticipated on Wednesday. Alongside this, housing market data, including existing home sales and home builder confidence, will also be released. Lower mortgage rates have already been priced in due to expectations of rate cuts, and this week could bring market volatility, especially with the FOMC meeting and related announcements. By the way, if you are benefiting from the content so far and want more like this, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications bell, and comment the word more. Just go ahead and type the word more so I know. Now that you've commented, let's continue. Nvidia, often compared to Palantir, is facing speculation about whether it has plateaued. Nvidia has held its support level at $100, which is seen as a critical psychological threshold. If the stock falls below that, it could see a more significant decline. However, Nvidia has shown resilience at this level despite conflicting opinions in the market. As for Palantir, it recently reached a high of $36, and the upcoming week will be crucial to see if it can maintain this momentum. Investors are watching closely as macroeconomic developments unfold. Palantir's stock has been quite volatile since its initial public offering, IPO, in September 2020. The stock debuted at $21.25 per share and has since fluctuated between a high of $61.91 and a low of $13.84. As of today, the stock is trading at $36.44 per share, representing a 72% gain from its IPO price. Palantir's financial performance has been impressive, with revenue growth of 44% in 2022 compared to the previous year. The company's total revenue stood at $1.96 billion, with a gross margin of 74%. However, Palantir's net income remains negative, with a net loss of $411 million in 2022. Palantir's stock is a high-growth opportunity, driven by increasing demand for data analytic solutions and strategic initiatives. While the stock's valuation is elevated, its growth prospects and expanding margins justify the price. However, risks like intense competition and regulatory changes impact the stock's performance. Based on the analysis, Palantir's stock is a buy for long-term investors, with a target price of $45. However, short-term investors should exercise caution due to the stock's volatility. This analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Please conduct your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Don't forget that God, the creator of heaven and earth, is the giver of all wealth. Acknowledge him in your plans and he will direct your paths. Proverbs 3 verses 5-6. If you have watched the whole video until the end, drop a comment like this: I stayed until the end. Just comment that I stayed until the end. When I see this comment, I will give you a heart. There are 3 more important steps to build wealth from nothing. First, like this video, subscribe and then turn on the notifications bell. If you do this, you highly motivate me to continue bringing to you transformative videos every week. Do not miss out on our future videos full of knowledge and wisdom. All I am asking is your subscription. Thanks for joining us today, your support is appreciated so much. Do not hesitate to share this video to help someone. I recommend that you watch the next video, subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts about today's video. Thank you. See you in the next video by God's grace. We love you, and blessings to you.